How are you, Mukesh? Tell me, how is your FMCG business doing? Don't ask, brother. I don't know how to manage work, employees, and daily activities and workflow of workers. Hey, Mukesh, why don't you use Dial ERP software? What do you mean? This is a type of management software related to business which automates the business process, and we can manage all the management departments of the company together without giving time. And we can also automate all the work and services and human resources inside the company. This will double the sales, increase the profitability with the flexibility of the business, save time, and also eliminate the need for paper documentaries. Thank you so much, brother. Now tell me, from where will I get this software? From Dial ERP. You can get this software by contacting them today. And for more information, contact 99711 2233. Website www.dialerp.com.